Good morning, children. Today we are going to start something new. But before that, let us recall some concepts that we have already discussed. First is natural numbers. As you know, natural numbers are the counting numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers that starts from 1 and goes on up to infinity are known as natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, so on. Next is successor of a number. Successor means if you add 1 to a natural number, you get the immediate next natural number, and that is called its successor. Means if I add 1 to a natural number, then what is the result? It is the immediate next natural number, and this is known as successor. Suppose 5 plus 1, then 6 is the successor of 5. Similarly, predecessor of a number. If you subtract 1 from a number, you get its predecessor. Means the number which is immediate following the number is known as predecessor. For example, if I want to find the predecessor of 5, it will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. So 4 is the predecessor of 5. Now what is predecessor of 1? Now predecessor means if I subtract 1, I will get the predecessor. Now if I subtract 1 from 1, I will get a 0. Now I told you natural number starts from 1. So 0 is not a natural number. Then what about 0? So 0 is the first whole number. So the chapter of today is chapter 2, that is whole numbers. The definition of whole numbers is the natural numbers along with 0 form the collection of whole numbers. It means if we include 0 with natural numbers, then it become whole numbers. There is one note, always keep in mind, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Like natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, so on. So they are also a part of whole numbers. But all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Whole number starts from 0. So it is like 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So 0 is not a natural number, but it is a whole number. That's why we are saying all whole numbers are not natural numbers, because 0 is not a natural number. It is a whole number. But natural numbers start from 1, 1, 2, 3, so on. It means all the natural numbers are a part of whole numbers, or we can say all the natural numbers are whole numbers. After this, let us start the exercise based on this concept, that is exercise 2.1. Question number 1 is write down 3 whole numbers just succeeding 20,009. We have to write 3 whole numbers just succeeding. Just succeeding means immediate next to it. How will I get? I will add a 1 to this number. I got 20,010. Then next to this is adding 1 to this number. We get 20,011. And the next third number will be adding 1 to this number. We get 20,012. Question number 2 is write the whole number occurring just before 3 lakh 1. So whole number occurring just before. Before means minus 1. So we will subtract 1 from this number. We get 3 lakh. Question number 3 is write the smallest and greatest whole numbers. Now we know whole number starts from 0. It means the smallest whole number is 0. The greatest whole number, as I told you, whole number starts from 0, goes up to infinity. Infinity means that don't have an end. So we can say there is no greatest whole number because it goes to infinity. Infinity means which don't have end. Question number 4. Write the natural number having no predecessor. We have to tell a natural number which don't have a predecessor. Means if I subtract a 1, if we are not getting a natural number, that means that is the number which don't have a predecessor. We know 1 is the natural number, but if we subtract 1, or we can say if I find predecessor of 1, the answer is 0. 0 is not a natural number. It means 1 is the natural number which has no predecessor. Question number 5. How many natural numbers are there up to 1000? Now if I start from 1, 2, 3, so on up to 1000, so we can count there are 1000 natural numbers up to 1000. Question number 7. How many whole numbers are there between 70 and 90? Between means we are not including 70 and 90. So let's start from 71. 71, 72, so on up to 89, because we are not including 90 here. So let us count. They are 18. So there are 18 whole numbers between 70 and 90. Question number 6 is your home assignment. How many whole numbers are there up to 2000? So please note it down this work in your maths notebook cleanly. Thank you. Have a nice day.